Does my business need environmental insurance? If you operate a business in certain industries, you may be legally required to carry environmental insurance. This is also called pollution liability insurance. These special policies cover worker injury, property damage, cleanup, and other environmental issues that arise from hazardous materials and pollutants. How do you know if your company needs environmental insurance? Not every business does. The regulations depend on the industry and the potential for producing hazardous waste or any type of pollution. If you operate the following businesses, you should speak with a trusted choice independent insurance agent about your pollution liability policy options. Contractors and subcontractors in any construction field, excavation and landscaping firms, waste depositories, recycling centers, and composters, environmental engineers, including asbestos abatement and more, any agricultural, oil and petroleum, or chemical business. If you have any questions about your business insurance and whether environmental insurance is necessary for your company, arrange to speak with a trusted choice independent insurance agent. Get the help you need to protect yourself and your company now and in the future. Be independent. Go independent.